As you can see, I'm on a ramp, but my driveway is on a slope. The hood is sloped and I'm level. So yeah, make sure you're level. Okay, I'm laying under a Honda Fit 2015. It says here that it's the HCF2. So don't screw that up. This is the fill bolt. It fills up until it starts flowing out. And the drain bolt is to the side here on the left. So when I'm done doing my oil change, I'm going to move on here to drain the fluid. Let's see how that works. Back at our fill bolt. That's a 17. Oh, this is going to require 2 hands. Wait. Okay. This CVT transmission fluid is so stinky, but it's super clear. So this car has 43,000 kilometers, but it's 10 years old. It's 2015. So, you know, age, whatever. I don't care. Better be safe than sorry with these CVTs. Okay. It's nice and clear, and this bolt is fused. It required a lot of force. So I was trying to look online to see where the top fill bolt is, just to find a location. That's it over there. So this is the top fill. I think there was a recall on this, and looks okay. Seals pretty good. I think if it doesn't seal, it like pops out, but it looks good. It's a weird design. I don't know. I don't design cars, but like just a cork plug for transmission. It's weird. Okay, we have Honda transmission fluid, HCF2, and we're gonna fill up from the top. That fits nicely, so no dirt comes inside. And we're gonna fill up. Let's see. Okay, so the only thing that sucks now, not that big of a deal, but to go through all the gears, you need to put the airbox back. And I mean, at least now I know where the stupid plug is, but it's basically unreachable. You need to take off the airbox. Again, not a big deal, but I'd rather do it properly than to figure out later. Okay, we have pressure washers. This one is for the fill bolt. It's a different size than the one for the drain bolt with the magnet. Like I said, two different parts. Just be careful. Complexity level. Same thing as changing the oil. I did the extra step. You honestly don't need to do it. You can fill it up like all the other tutorials. I just wanted to open it up and see what's going on underneath. That's just my brain wanting to do it, but otherwise you just like fill it up. You put a, see, I had it here. There's nothing crazy about it. This is just extra steps, filling it up through that hole and then going through gears, because when I took this off I had to reassemble it, go through gears, then assemble it. Yeah, that's all it is. I don't know. Easy peasy. See you in another 40,000.